myself Sanjay Kumar Gupta. I am welcoming you all in the e-learning platform of St. Michael's Academy, Bethiya. Students, in this video, we shall learn science for class 8, chapter 7, conservation of plants and animals. In previous videos, we have seen that how the plants and animals are in endangered situation and they need to conserved by ourselves. So many international and national organizations are working for the conservation of wildlife. So in this video we shall mention that what are the causes of depletion of wildlife as well as the worldwide organization IUCN, whose name is currently WCU, and Red Book data, which keeps records of those plants and animals which are in the position of extinction. So, the causes of depletion are first, habitat loss, second, indiscriminate hunting, and third is pollution. Even about them we will read in detail by book. Now, some of the species which are in endangered position are divided in three parts that are called in shortcut EVR. E for endangered species, V for vulnerable species, and R for rare species. As I told you that an international organization which works for the conservation and keeping record of these plants and animals is IUCN. So IUCN was formerly known as IUPN, but currently it is called WCU. In fact, IUPN, whose full form is International Union for Protection of Nature, was founded on 5th October 1948 in Switzerland. But after 1956, this organization's name was changed and it was done as IUCN, means International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. But with the time, in 1990, its name was changed and it has become WCU, means World Conservation Union, whose headquarters is in Switzerland now. So, the WCU, which is also known today IUCN, just keeps a record in a record book whose name is Red Data Book. Even the Red Data Book is divided for different types of plants and animals. As you know that all the three names are of the same organization. And the first Red Data Book was published in 1964 Red Data Book for Animals was published firstly in 1991. So, this is time to read from book and to get more and more knowledge about these. Wildlife conservation. Wildlife basically refers to organisms living in their natural habitats like tigers and elephants in dense forests, crocodile and alligators in natural water bodies, and trees and shrubs in jungles. Causes of wildlife depletion. Wildlife is a valuable biological resource. The various factors responsible for wildlife destruction and depletion are: first, habitat loss; second, indiscriminate hunting; and third, pollution, about which I told you in class A how they are valuable and how they are in danger. So, habitat loss. The destruction of habitats of animals by deforestation disturb the life, growth and reproductive potential of wild animals. जैसा कि आपको पता है कि जब इन जंतुओं का वास्तविक निवास स्थान छिन जाएगा तो उनके जीवन का व्यवस्था बिगड़ जाएगा, न वे विकास कर पाएंगे, न ही वे अपनी नई संतति को इस धरती पर ला पाएंगे. नाउ सेकेंड वन इज इनडिस्क्रिमिनेट हंटिंग. Indiscriminate killing and poaching of wild animals for food, skin, fur, horn, tusk, etc. has caused reduction and elimination of many wild animals. Pollution, air, water and soil pollution is also responsible for death and elimination of sensitive wild स्पीसीज. यानी ऐसे जंतु जो बहुत नाजुक होते हैं वह इन प्रदूषणों को सहन नहीं कर पाते हैं और वह जल्द ही इस दुनिया से विदा हो जाते हैं और इस तरह से हमारे इस पर्यावरण में ऐसे जंतुओं की बहुत कमी होते जा रही है. नाउ थ्रेटेंड स्पीसीज. द स्पीसीज ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स हुज मेंबर्स आर greatly reduced in number or are near extinction are called threatened species. यानी ऐसे जंतु या पौधे जो निकट भविष्य में खत्म होने के कगार पर आ चुके हैं या जिनकी संख्या कम हो रही है उनको हम थ्रेटेंड स्पीसीज या खतरे के निशान वाले प्रजातियों के नाम से जानते हैं. द इंटरनेशनल यूनियन फॉर कंजर्वेशन of nature and natural resources IUCN has classified threatened species into the following categories. As first, endangered species, the species that are not likely to survive and will soon become extinct if the same causative factors continue are called endangered species. यानी ऐसी प्रजातियां जो अब अपने आप को जीने के लायक नहीं बना पा रही हैं और यह शीघ्र ही इस धरती से समाप्त हो जाने के कगार पर आ चुके हैं, ऐसे जंतुओं को हम इंडेंजर्ड स्पीसीज के नाम में जानते हैं. इंडियन राइनोसेरस, एशियाटिक लायन, लैंड टेल्ड मकाक, क्रोकोडाइल एंड ब्लू व्हेल्स are some examples of endangered species. Now in this picture you can see as snow leopard, Indian rhinoceros, black buck, golden langur, elephant and white buffalo are in the endangered species and soon they may be extinct if we do not care for them. Now vulnerable species means these are species which are likely to move to endangered category in near future if causative factors continue to operate. यानी ऐसे प्रजातियां जो खतरे के निशान पर पहले तो थे ही, लेकिन अब आने वाले निकट भविष्य में यह पूर्णतः समाप्त हो जाने वाले हैं, उनको हम वुलनेरिएबल स्पीसीज के नाम से जानेंगे। चिंकारा डियर, ब्लैक बक एंड गोल्डन लैंगर आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वुलनेरिएबल स्पीसीज। एंड रेयर स्पीसीज means the rare species are those species that exist in small numbers, are localized only in certain geographical areas and may enter into vulnerable category। यानी ऐसी प्रजातियां जो अब बहुत थोड़ी संख्या में रह गए हैं और अब वह दिन दूर नहीं होगा जब वह इस दुनिया से विदा हो जाएंगे। यानी अब वो बिल्कुल खतरे के श्रेणी में आ चुके हैं। एज गोल्डन कैट, वाइल्ड बुफेलो एंड एशियाटिक वाइल्ड एज आर सम एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ रेयर स्पीसीज। नाउ रेड डेटा बुक। So red data book contains a record of all those species of plants and animals which are under the threat of extinction or are rare and vulnerable for extinction. As I told you earlier, that red data book is a record book that is recorded by IUCN. So, in this book, the rare and rarest as well as those animals who are in endangered situation and vulnerable species are to be written. So, the book provides information about the distribution and status of threatened species and guides their conservation programs। यानी यह किताब न सिर्फ उन प्रजातियों के बारे में हमें बताती है जो खतरे किस श्रेणी में है, बल्कि इसके साथ हमें यह भी सुझाव देती है कि हम उनका बचाव कैसे कर सकते हैं। The Red Data Book is being maintained by IUCN Switzerland. Now this is known as World Conservation Union. So about it I told you earlier। मैंने कहा कि अब इसका नाम बदल कर क्या हो गया है, WCU मीन्स वर्ल्ड कंजर्वेशन यूनियन, और इसका हेडक्वार्टर स्विट्जरलैंड में है, जो 1990 से वर्क कर रहा है। यह इवन की इसका पहला नाम क्या बताया गया था, IUPN, और यह सबसे पहली बार स्विट्जरलैंड में ही 1948 में स्थापित किया गया था। Now students, rest of the part of this lesson will be taught in next video. Till then, thank you.